Sir, wait random.
This will be sample including the weight at hole and the cone. After that, weight of the cylinder will to be taken after the pouring. The weight of the after pouring to be recorded in this column. Weight of sand in hole plus cone is calculated by deducting 10,584 from 15,000. It comes as 4,416 mm. Okay. Weight of sand in cone taken in the lab as 1080 gram. Now weight of sand in hole to be calculated by deducting
The cone.
By deducting weight of sand in hole plus cone minus weight of cone tested in lab. So that is 4,416 gram minus 1080 gram. It will come as 3,336 gram. This density of sand is calculated in test lab as 1.383 gram per cc. Now volume of hole to be calculated by dividing weight of sand by bulk density, that is 3,336 gram divided by 1.383 is equal to 2,412.1. Now weight density will be calculated as weight of wet soil divided by volume of hole. So that is 5,910 divided by 2,412.1 is equal to 2.450. Moisture content as we calculated before using rapid moisture meter as 8%. So here you have to mention lab maximum dry density as it is written here 2.280 gram per cc. For calculating field dry density, this formula has to be used. That is weight density divided by 1 plus optimum moisture content. That is 2.40450 divided by 1 plus 8 by 100. So it will come 2.268. So this 2.268 has to be mentioned over here. Now we have to calculate the percentage of compaction. That will give us, dividing this 2.268 divided by 2.280. It will. So by dividing 2.268 by 2.280, it gives us 99.47%. Like this, we have to take calculation for 6 trials. As per our record, the minimum compaction it gives 98%. So like this, we have to take sample for 500 square meter one test. Thank you.